Here we go with another video. That's right, Anonymous in Ohio coming at you. You see it, Cash Explosion, 25x, 25 pity or 250. Psychedelic Payout, two $5 tickets, one $10 ticket. This is my normal lineup. I like 2 5s and a 10. I like 2 5s and a 10. Here we go. $20 session, one of each. Dive right in. Let's do the green one first. This is the one with the horrible odds right there. 1 in 8.3. We got to beat them odds. The prizes are only 25 pity or 250. There's your book number. We got ticket 31. Looking for matching numbers, bursty symbol. So here we go. Let's find a bursty. Duplicate numbers. Let's get on the board. A win on this ticket would push us into profit automatically. Don't play this ticket a whole lot. Play it on the machine at the Speedway today. Gotta grab one. Maybe get lucky here. 16. 16 is not there. 22. 22. We got 20 and a 2. 23. 23. And 14. 14 is not there. Alright, so couldn't beat them odds today. Ticket 26 on the Cash Explosion. Up here we can find entry. We put this ticket online and enter it into the game show. Or we can find a multiplier for a chance to multiply anything on down here. We need to find that star or match a number. There's your odds, 1 in 3.7. There's your book number. Here we go. Here we go. Let's symbol hunt this. See if we can't find a star on this ticket. Let's get on the board. $20 session. Let's get on the board. Any stars? Any stars? No stars. No stars. Here we go. We need a 40. We got no 40. Need a 30. We got no 30. We got 34. 14. Let's check up top. 5 times. We got to get that match for a 5 time. A 2. We got 12. So no good, no good. $5 tickets couldn't do nothing today. Psychedelic Payout. It's your turn. $10 ticket. This is the news. $10 ticket. Ticket 36. 36. We're looking to match these numbers or find a symbol. Sunglasses win. Multipliers. Payout for that win all. We'll get a nice back scratch on this. We're going to start on the back. Here's your odds. There's the prizes. There's the book number. So on the back, all we got to do is find money. Find any dollar amount, not any, but one of these dollar amounts and win that prize. So, can we find something on the back today? I've already been able to find 1 or 2 on the back. Let's do another one. Nope. And no. Alright, gotta do the front. Gotta do the front. Get on the board here. There's a 36 on ticket 36. Can we match that up? Alright, there's the bottom row, no symbols. Nothing on that row. Where's some sunglasses at? Sunglasses. No. Couldn't do it. Gotta match up. It's the only chance we're gonna win. We're gonna match up here. $20 session. Come on. 13. We got 12. 43. No. We got 42. We got 19. 18 couldn't do it. 34. 34's not there. 25. Not looking good, folks. And 44. No 44. So we couldn't do it. We could not do it. That's a bust-a-rooney. We're going to try again. And hope to see you next time. As always, hit that like, hit the subscribe.